In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly in Chrome. By the end, you'll know how to get the extension installed, see suggestions as you type, apply the fixes that matter, and use those insights to make your writing clearer and more confident. First, install the Grammarly extension from the Chrome Web Store. Search for Grammarly, open the listing, and add it to Chrome. Once it's installed, it works right inside your browser, so you don't need to switch apps or copy and paste your text anywhere else. After a moment, it's ready to go and will quietly check your writing as you work. Next, open any website or web app where you write. This could be an email in Gmail, a document in Docs, a customer message, a blog post draft, or even a social media caption. Anywhere you can type in Chrome, Grammarly is there in the background, looking for grammar, spelling, and clarity issues while you focus on your ideas. As you type, Grammarly underlines potential errors and suggestions. These underlines are visual cues that something might be improved, maybe a missing comma, a confusing sentence, or an easily missed typo. Keep writing naturally. You don't need to stop for every underline. Many people prefer to finish the sentence or paragraph and then circle back to review. When you're ready, click on any underlined text to view and apply corrections. A small card appears with a clear suggestion and a quick explanation of why it's recommended. If it looks right, click to accept the fix, and Grammarly will update your text instantly. If the suggestion doesn't fit your intent, dismiss it and keep your original wording. This balance is important. Grammarly is a helpful assistant, but you're the author, and your voice comes first. Finally, review your writing with Grammarly's suggestions to improve clarity and grammar. Do a focused pass at the end. Move through your draft, click each underline, and read the brief explanations to understand the change. Treat these moments as mini lessons. You'll learn patterns in your writing and catch similar issues earlier next time. Read your revised sentences out loud in your head to check flow and tone, and accept only the edits that support your message. If a change affects meaning or feels too formal for your context, it's okay to skip it. That's all it takes. Install the extension, write where you already work. Click underlines to apply smart fixes, and use those insights to strengthen your final draft. With a quick review habit, Grammarly in Chrome becomes a simple, reliable way to polish your writing without slowing you down.